watching the mainstream. I am Simran Shiwalkar. We are in Delhi witnessing the latest edition of Emerge Tech, the Multicity Roadshow brought to you by the mainstream. I have with me Mr. Sujoy Brahmachari. He is the CIO and CISO for card business at Rosemerta Technologies. Firstly, sir, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for inviting me.
Absolutely. Well, how has your experience been so far?
It was great. Last time also it was a great. This time also it was a similar experience. The combination of the event, there were a lot of good technology presentation as well as panel discussion on emerging technology, cybersecurity, etc. Overall, it was very interesting. And apart from that, this kind of event help us to do the networking with our fellow colleagues in the industry. And overall, it was very interesting.
Thank you so much for sharing your kind words. Well, lastly, I want to understand from you, the theme of the event has been emerging technologies, innovating with emerging technologies. We have AI, quantum computing and cloud security as well as data centers making the buzzword along with the intersection of cybersecurity. From a leader's perspective, how do you see the future evolving with these technologies?
Good question, because I'm handling both. I'm responsible for technology as well as cybersecurity. I'm CIO and CISO Rosemerta Smart Card business. So when I talk about technology, the AI is going to take center stage, which is mainly people have started. In fact, we have also started adopting AI in terms of generative AI, agentic AI. They are going to play a vital role in all organizations to improve their efficiency and have a good impact on their bottom lines. And when you are using this kind of technology, you have to be very sure that your data is protected. So cybersecurity it's an ongoing journey which you have to keep on. You have to be ready on all fronts. There is no impact to your brand, etc. So these are the two important priorities. Apart from that, when we talk about cloud, hybrid cloud is going to take place, and it is already taking place where people are using different cloud service provider in terms of redundancies and uptime, etc. This is another trend which is going on. Apart from all these things, the new trend which came after new normal, that is after our pandemic, that is remote working, secure remote working. That will be an important another piece, because still a lot of organizations are struggling with the remote working.
Correct.
And a lot of things are going to happen in that area also in terms of security and technology.
Super. Well, thank you so much for providing a comprehensive view from a CISO's and a CIO's perspective as well. And thank you so much for joining us. Thank you once again. While we wrap up, Mr. Brahmachari, I look forward to connect with you once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.